Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for southern cornbread dressing. Savory, rich, and perfectly balanced between moist and just a little bit crumbly. And I'll show you how to keep it from turning out dry or bland because that's where most people miss the mark with this dish. For this recipe you'll need fresh cornbread, celery, heavy cream, chicken stock, sage, parsley, thyme, onion powder, kosher salt, white pepper, chicken bouillon powder, fresh minced garlic, salted butter, eggs, and onion. Begin by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now break up a full, freshly baked pan of cornbread in a large bowl and set it aside. Be sure to leave some larger pieces in there for better texture in the finished dressing. You can use boxed or homemade cornbread, just make sure it's the southern savory kind, not sweet. That makes a big difference in the final flavor. Next, dice the celery and onions. I like to keep them fairly small so they add flavor throughout the dish without becoming a noticeable texture. Now, melt the butter in a cast iron skillet over medium heat and add the celery and onions. Let them cook until softened and the onions start to turn translucent. This step helps build the base flavor of the dressing. Then add the garlic and cook for about another minute, just until fragrant. Set the vegetable mixture aside. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, heavy cream, sage, parsley, thyme, onion powder, kosher salt, white pepper, and chicken bouillon powder. This mixture is what brings everything together. The eggs help the dressing set, while the cream and stock keep it from drying out. Pour the seasoned mixture into the bowl of cornbread and stir to evenly combine. Then add the cooked celery, onion, and garlic mixture and stir again. Finally, pour in the chicken stock and give everything one last good mix. At this point, the mixture should be moist but not soupy. If it looks too dry, you can add a little more stock. If it's too wet, it won't set properly when it bakes. That balance is what gives you the perfect texture. Don't forget, you can always check the description for the full ingredient list and step-by-step instructions. Now, spray a 9x13 baking dish with cooking spray and pour in the cornbread dressing mixture. Spread it out evenly and gently press it down across the dish. Pressing it lightly helps it bake evenly, but you don't want to pack it too tight. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes or until the center is set and the edges begin to turn golden. Then, if you want a little more color on top, switch the oven to broil on low about 550 degrees for a few minutes, but watch it carefully here because the top can brown quickly. You're looking for a light golden crust across the top. Once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. That helps it firm up so it holds together better when you scoop it out. If you love comfort food recipes like this southern cornbread dressing, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell so you don't miss future recipes just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your cornbread dressing turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.